Vegans out there, you guys are being manipulated and fucking gay. So I don't give a shit. What do you think about anything, okay? Jagat. So you have tasted Nirid's chicken 100 times, right?
I never tasted.
So
I never tasted his cooked chicken.
call him. Hey, what? What Ray? Cho chicken. And they are sharing this with checkered killback if the fish is very small, and that's why this snakes are waiting over here.
We can't take the name because it will become too controversial.
Okay.
But it's no, I can't take the name.
Today my dad shot a video. I also should get a fishing net or a fishing rod, and I'll also start fishing over here. So it's about 6:30. It's not done yet. We are taking a break. We'll sleep till 10 and we'll start walking after that. Okay, so let's get started. So after the evening, after we have been through a lot of waterlogged places, right now with our office doing a lot of work, uh, uploading the video and all this stuff, and in between the editor made some cheese corn cheese, which is what we are enjoying. And after this again it will be a worky productive night. That's what I'm having feelings for. And in between we're gonna go to home. My mom is cooking a very good khichdi, so we are going to enjoy the khichdi because it has been continuously raining for the past 2 days and the entire Kolkata is submerged under water. Today my dad shot a video, and when we were going for his appointment and all this stuff, so he took a video shot which I'll be attaching with this. I think if you're watching this part of the vlog, you already have seen through that. So yeah, that's one part of it. Then I came to home. I had a pretty decent sleep. Then I started working. Then we go and did some shopping, which is what I have added on the previous part of the video as well. So why am I saying this? I don't know. But yeah, after that we ordered this spring roll on Blinkit, and then a coconut water. So we had coconut water. We had our corn cheese, and right now we are walking. We'll be walking a little bit more. After that, Arya is going to come. I think Nidit is also going to come, most probably. Not sure yet. So it will be another day, another night of cooking and all this stuff. But I'll have two dinners tonight as well. So it's continuously sleepless nights and dinners and dinners. So yeah, that's it for now. See you tonight. So there are approximately 5-6 checkered killbacks near this pond. This pond is near Jill Road. It's very close to my workplace. So these guys, they are actually catching fish, and they are sharing this with checkered killback if the fish is very small, and that's why these snakes are waiting over here for them to release the fishes. So I'm thinking I also should get a fishing net or a fishing rod, and I'll also start fishing over here, and that will be a very good content for the vlog, I guess. So probably I'll do it. So for now, let's get back to our let's go shopping. Let's go shopping for us. How far is your cooking going?
Good.
Oh, it looks delicious. बस नमक लगाना मत भूलना.
नमक अभी के लिए डाल दिया. नमक कम हो जाए वो बढ़िया है, बाद में ऐड करो. लेकिन एक बार ज्यादा हो जाए फिर तो भाई.
चलो सही है. You have a good assistant. She's just looking.
No, I'm not.
She's the teacher.
I'm not a teacher.
Okay.
I'm not a teacher.
So it's 12:30 and we are about to start with today's work. We are already ready,
And I'm supervising.
and she's supervising. She's the HR of our.
कब से अभी से?
She's Asia of a different form. Anyway, so we are starting our work for tonight. It's 12:30, and when we end the time lapse, I'll show you the time. By the way, let me see if my phone has enough charge to withstand it. And we are gonna set it for our time lapse, and I'm not going to touch it for the rest of the night today. And this time lapse, this time will be on this room. We have done a time lapse, a lot of time lapse on that room, but this room is the purest of the pure working room, and that's what we are gonna do. So, okay, see you with other videos while being in the time lapse that we'll shoot over this night, and we'll make content out of it. And that's it for now. See you on the next part. Jagat, so you have tasted Nirith's chicken 100 times, right?
I never tasted.
So
I never tasted his cooked chicken.
जानता बेटा आज।
I have explained.
that was why I asked for the cooked chicken only. We never asked for meatballs, okay?
I know what you asked.
Content दे दी।
I asked for cooked chicken. So are you excited for it?
Yes, I'm very excited and quite afraid for it.
Don't you trust him?
I am not.
Absolutely not.
Absolutely.
That makes a lot of sense. Okay. So what do you want to say about that?
You know, you don't speak much. You let your dish make the noise.
That was great. So what do we have here?
The new chopper in the house.
Okay. And what are we looking to chop with this?
Some pretty onions.
Meatballs.
Meatballs.
Go. So this is the freshly cooked chicken by Nirith. What is the name of this flavor?
We can't take the name because it will become too controversial.
Okay.
But it's no, I can't take the name. It's very controversial.
Okay. So then there is the rice, and we are just getting ready for it. It's approximately 3 a.m. It's 3 a.m. And to all the vegans out there, you guys are being manipulated and fucking gay. So I don't give a shit. What do you think about anything, okay? You are a propaganda machines, idiots, and you don't have a spine, and you are dickless bitches. So I don't know what else to say. But veganism is a fucking
इसके
fraud.
शब्द है इसमें मेरा कोई involvement नहीं है
ठीक है?
I have respect for vegans because they're leaving a lot of chicken out over there for us.
Yeah, and they are ruining the art of our avocado and all this stupid shit, which doesn't make much sense. And they are like on a mission to make yourself weak, incompetent, impotent, infertile, and everything. So that's what it looks like. But yeah, so see, we are eating chicken. To all the vegans out there, we are eating chicken. And that's it for now. We'll go back to the walk and we'll do the walk after this because a lot of things are trending from his side. So he has like fire running up behind his ass, and he has to do it because he has extreme potential out there. And yeah, that's it. Also, let me call him. Hey, what? What Ray? Cho chicken. Hi, heavy one though. Okay, that's it. So it's about 6:30, and I don't know if I'm feasible or not, but our work is just now done. So I don't know if you can see him as well, Arya. So he's there. It's not done yet. We are taking a break. We'll sleep till 10, and we'll start walking after that. So that's the plan. We actually have wasted quite a long time in this night, but I won't say it's a waste. It had a pretty productive discussions. We went through a lot of ideas. We threw around a lot of ideas, and that's the beauty of having a good friend circle who actually have like, yes, it's not just intelligent, but the intellect is very important. So that's actually a very important part to it, and we'll discuss that sometime over the podcast that we are planning for the future. So that is something that you guys should also think about, and this is going to be huge if I throw my this raw idea around with the AI and all this stuff. It's gonna be a pretty different type of thinking that you have never even thought before. So that is something that I am thinking around. But apart from that, work wise, we didn't do much work today, though we planned to do a lot of work. We ate chicken, we had discussion about male masculinity, femininity, and all those stuff. And yeah, so yeah, that was the entire idea. So that's all for now. Signing off from vlog number 29. I don't know what we did on this vlog. I have to just see it and check it, that what we have actually done on this vlog. But vlog number 30 is going to be awesome. So yeah. Oh, we recorded that time lapse, the work lapse, where 50% of the time we were walking and 50% of the time we were not even at the home. We were having discussions and dinners and all things. But yeah, so that's how the life goes sometime. And we have the privilege to have those moments because it's a business after all. So we work when we want to work. And yeah, that's it. So right now my face is looking kind of funny because my head is on the floor, but my entire body is on the mattress. So that's how it looks funny, but it's doable. Let's go.